Hello children, today I am here with G Science chapter 5 Animal Some Common Insect. So what we will study in this chapter? Common insect, some social insect, ant and bee, body part of insects. Today we will read these three. So children, have you ever noticed a really tiny animals crawling and flying and buzzing around? So they are called an insect and bugs. So insects are small creature with 6 legs. So some insects can fly with their wings, but some insects do not have wings. So they hop and walk on the ground. So some common insects are, what are the common insects? Now see here. So some common insects are ant, beetles, bees, flies, mosquitoes and butterfly. So insects constitute the largest group of animals on the earth. Scientists are discovering more insects every day. These are small animals with 6 legs. So all insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings and some don't. So all have a few things in common. So now we will know about the features. Now see this. An insect have 6 legs. See how many legs? 6 legs. Its body is divided into 3 parts. So what are the 3 parts? Head, thorax and abdomen. It has a pair of antennae to sense and feel the things around. So with the help of antennae, it can feel the things around. So they have a hard shell outside of their bodies that protect them from danger. And it's an external covering made of something called chitin. So insects have hard shell outside of their bodies. So the body of insect is divided into 3 parts. Just now I have discussed head, the top part, thorax, the middle part and abdomen, end part. So all insects have 2 antennae, or we can say antennas, and 6 legs. All insects hatch from eggs. The baby insect is called larva. So now see this picture. This is the structure of beetle. So except the sea and the polar regions, beetles are found in almost every habitat. You know what is polar region? Polar means cold region. So except the cold region and the sea place, he can survive in every habitat, every place. So many beetles, including these, that they live in sandy places. So where beetle live? They live in sandy place and camouflage themselves. So they can hide themselves in a sandy places. Okay? Who? Beetle. So now see this structure of beetle nicely. So they have antenna, head, wing pad, abdomen and leg. So now next, ant, beetle, bees, mosquito, butterfly and housefly are some common insects. They can be found around ourselves. So let's study about these insects. So now we will study about these insects. So first, ant and bee. Okay, so we will study about social insects, ants and bees. You know why they are called social insects? ants and bees are called social insects. That means they live in large colonies or groups. We are talking about social insects. Some insects live on their own, but some live in groups. So insects that live in group with other individuals of the same species are known as social insects. So ants and honeybees are the most common social insect found in our environment. What are the two insects? Ants and bees. Okay. In ant colony, there is a queen. There is a queen ant only who lays eggs along with male ant who do not work. Female worker ant who do not lay eggs. So they are female workers. So they do not lay egg. The queen ant is easy to recognize as she is larger than other and has long wings. Now see this, it has long wings. The male has two pairs of wings, but the female workers, they are small without and they have no wings. So ants can be easily identified by their elbowed antenna and distinctive nodes-like structure that form their slender waist. An ant colony has several and wingless females forming caste of worker and soldier or their specialized groups. Fertile males called drones. So male males are called drones and one or more fertile females called queens. Just now I shown the picture. So this is the structure of ant. So there are three parts, body parts: head, thorax, abdomen, two antennas, mandibles, compound eyes, leg, claws and sting. Okay. So now next, bee. So bees are also social insects. So bees are flying insect. Ants are not flying insect, but bees are flying insect. Closely related to wasp and ant. So they are related to wasp and ant. Bees are adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen. The former primarily for energy source and latter primarily for protein and their nutrients. Honeybee makes honey. They are reared from producing honey and bee wax. So now we are talking about another social insect, that is honeybee. Similar to the ant family, the queen is the important member of the honeybee family. A queen main job is to lay egg. What is the main job? To lay egg. So she lays more than 1,000,000 egg over a period of about 4 years. So the workers and female are kept very busy. The male has no functions. See this? The male has no functions. Worker bee collect nectar and pollen from flower. The bees turn this nectar and pollen into sweet honey, which stores in special cell for food in bad weather when it cannot go out. Okay. Now see the structure of bee. See carefully. Head, thorax, antenna, jaw, legs, abdomen and wings. Okay. So now we will talk about beetle. So in beetle, the front pair of wing is hardened. Now see this picture. So the front pair of wings is hardened into wing case. This feature distinguishes them from many other insects. Okay. So now let's talk about flies. So flies only use a single pair of wings to fly. So fly use single pair of a wing. These are only 1,25,000 species of flies which have been described. They have a mobile head, a pair of large eyes and mouth parts designed for pursing and sucking or for lapping and sucking. Now see the structure of fly. See carefully. Head, thorax, abdomen, wing, three pair of legs. One here, one middle and one at last. So compound eye and the pair of antenna. Okay.